to the channel. Today, I just did a mini, subscribe right now or, I will eat Paris. That was all just a joke. But hey guys, welcome back to today. I'm back with another Hello, speed page. I'm gonna carry on with it today. I guess this is where I left off last time. So I'm just gonna carry on where I left off, and hopefully it will be great. Hopefully not terrible. So let's start. So I remember in the last episode I literally got confused by the face. So I really did have to I don't know, really just do something random as a face. I mean, I did do the face, but I did it off camera, so I couldn't have the pressure obviously. I guess I didn't copy and paste the face, otherwise it will be like this, like character. So you know I really didn't copy and paste it. You can obviously tell. I can't believe I'm doing this first time. I've always wanted to do one of these. I think that I'm ready to do one. Not gonna lie. Thank you. Shout out to Dragonlight Queen 9000. Me and Paris's channel. We just do stuff on vlogs. I know we don't really do vlogs on that, but we do like mini gacha life clips on there, I guess. Yeah, if you wonder why my channel's called To Get with Roblox, not gacha something, it's because I will play Roblox on the channel, but not right now. Because I need to start this thing off by just doing something. You know what I mean? Just doing something. So I'm just gonna put some music on, as well as this my outro song. So you could probably hear that. But anyway, I don't know. Let's just carry on with our speed. Okay. Gosh. This is so, I don't know. Look at this. Right. So if you wonder how I did the body, no, I didn't do the body. I just got it from a capsule counter blank white. So I could just edit it. You know what I mean? So just, I know, basically, yeah, make the character in here. I might have to do redo the mouse, because that's just like obvious as you see. I wouldn't have to do the eyelashes. They look cute together like that anyway. Now let's back onto the mouse. Okay, so I thought that I could do any single mouse I want, because it's just obvious I can. You know what I mean? So I'm just doing any mouse I want. So maybe something like this. I don't know really, but this is kind of it. But I'm just gonna add some finishing touches to this. Maybe what will make it look nicer? Maybe to make this look nicer, I could add a bit blush onto it. So I'll be right back when I add some blush. So I kind of have to remove this from me. I have to do this, but anyways, that's it. Right over. So I think I could add this spray tan to the left. Like this. Like that. And then just add the mouth back on. I have to use the mouth for this. It's so obvious I have to use it. I have to use it sometimes. But I will add it back. And so I guess I need to redo this mouth again. Anyways, now that I have finished, I will show you guys something right away. So, as you guys can tell, I'm finished now. This is the view. Okay, now if I say this, be right back when I do that. Okay, so I'm back on PC. I'm going on open. So basically, I have this for my outro. Obviously, as you can see, outro. Okay, and now I have this, obviously. This is the link Discord. Maybe let's just read this. To link Discord. If I take the Roblox, you need to make a link Discord. There's the Roblox. Type and click the Discord button to get the link to the top. Okay, so if I hit space like this, I get to the lyrics. So I'm not going to do that, but this is for Paris. I can say, well, I have to pass. Basically, I have to tell you what I use to get the words up, and I have to edit these words. But Paris did the eyes and blush. Obviously, she did those, and she is Paris. The Roblox, even though it sounds like fun, I guess. This is mine! Woo! Okay, so I guess they're both the same thing. Mine looks a gray dark, and yeah, it just looks darker. So basically, I did this just roll with Paris. And I did this a while ago, I guess. A while. This was meant for Penny. Penny, if you ever see this, this is made for you. Go. Just this is for you. Anyways, back on with this. I mean, I have nothing else to show you guys, so maybe, I don't know, I could show you maybe my Roblox. Everyone would like to show Roblox. So yeah, my Roblox. I need to change my episode. This is okay, so let's just change this then. I have a Roblox Pro. I have one called What Is This? Because I don't know what it is. Paris made it for me. I think Paris made a banana outfit for me as well. So yeah. Basically this face is going to put your face invisible. So let's just try that first of all. I really hope this works, just because I don't know. because how cool would you try? Okay, I put the head on. Let's just try that. Because I mean, so good! Dude, I just need to give me a break a minute. Anyway, this is my Roblox account. This is my Roblox. If you want to go follow me, go follow me. If you want to do whatever, go do whatever. And yeah. Anyway, also a server. Obviously, I didn't know I had a microphone on this thing. Default microphone, default whatever, default. Yeah, I'm dancing with some friends. That's obviously what I'm doing right now. I'm saying yeet, because I'm YouTube myself. I'm interested to join a group. This is from Dragonlight. Make sure to go see Dragonlight group. Dragonlight High School fans. We have a fan, Dragonlight Girl, and Paris is Roll, my next row. But we have Paris Roll, and she's in it, because you can tell there's one, and